Welcome to our step-by-step guide on setting up Chromecast on your TV. Whether you're new to Chromecast or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Follow these simple instructions to start streaming your favorite content in no time. Step 1. Unbox your Chromecast. Start by unboxing your Chromecast device. Inside the box, you'll find the Chromecast device, a power adapter, a USB cable, an HDMI extender, optional. Step 2. Plug Chromecast into your TV plug. The Chromecast into an available HDMI port on your TV. If necessary, use the HDMI extender to position Chromecast for a better fit. Step 3. Connect Chromecast to power. Use the included USB cable and power adapter to connect Chromecast to a power outlet. Plug one end of the USB cable into the Chromecast and the other end into the power adapter, which should then be plugged into a power outlet. Step 4. Switch your TV to the correct HDMI input. Use your TV remote to change the input source to the HDMI port where Chromecast is connected. You should now see the Chromecast setup screen on your TV. Step 5. Install the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Go to the Google Play Store, Android, or App Store, iOS. Search for and install the Google Home app. Step 6. Set up Chromecast in the Google Home app. Open the Google Home app on your mobile device. Make sure your phone or tablet is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you plan to use for Chromecast. The app should automatically detect your Chromecast device. Tap Set Up when prompted. Step 7. Connect Chromecast to Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect Chromecast to your Wi-Fi network. You'll need to enter your Wi-Fi password. Once connected, your Chromecast will be ready to stream content. Step 8. Customize Chromecast settings. Optional. You can give your Chromecast a name, choose the room it's located in, and link your Google account for personalized recommendations. Explore other settings in the Google Home app for advanced features like guest mode, streaming services, and more. Step 9. Start streaming. Once setup is complete, you're ready to start casting. Open a compatible app like YouTube, Netflix, or Spotify on your phone or tablet. Tap the cast icon, a rectangle with waves, to send the content to your TV. That's it. You've successfully set up your Chromecast. Now, you can enjoy streaming content directly to your TV from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. If you run into any issues, refer to the Troubleshooting section in the Google Home app or check out the support page for more help. Thanks for watching and happy streaming!